Welcome to English Fluency Program.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
How much money do you have?
I have $5.
Who do you want to talk to?
I want to speak with Jane.
What do you want to say to Jane?
I want to tell her something.
When will she come?
She'll be here in 10 minutes.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not scared.
Are you American?
No, I'm not from America.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I don't have any allergies.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
How are you?
I'm doing well, how about you?
Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only take cash.
How far is it?
It's about 200 kilometers.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How many children do you have?
I have 3 kids.
How is she?
She's beautiful.
How much are they earning?
They're making $10.
How much does this cost?
It costs $15.
How much money do you make?
I earn $5 an hour.
How does it taste?
It tastes really good.
Are you busy?
Yes, I have a lot to do.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
How much money do you have?
I don't have any money.
What is today's date?
Today is December 1st.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How tall are you?
I'm 6 feet tall.
What does he do for work?
He's a doctor.
What time is it?
It's 4:10.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11:30.
Where is the closest restaurant?
There's a restaurant over there.
Is this restaurant good?
I don't think it's very good.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving tomorrow.
Where is an ATM?
The ATM is behind the bank.
Where is the pharmacy?
The pharmacy is next to the supermarket.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on August 20th 1st.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Where would you like to go?
I'd like to go shopping.
When do you begin working?
I begin at 8 a.m.
Where do you stay?
I stay in a house by the park.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling happy.
What food do you like the most?
My favorite food is pasta.
What do you like to do when you have free time?
I like reading books.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where did you go on your last trip?
I went to Paris last.
What color do you like best?
My favorite color is green.
What time is it?
It's 5:30.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you enjoy sports?
Yes, I like soccer.
Who is your favorite sports player?
My favorite sports player is Lionel Messi.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go to the gym often.
What type of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop music.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
Have you watched any good movies recently?
Yes, I saw a great movie last night.
What movie did you watch?
I watched Inception.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What book are you reading right now?
I'm reading The Great Gatsby.
Are you an early riser?
Yes, I am a morning person.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
My favorite dish to cook is pasta.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Where do you usually shop?
I usually shop at the mall.
What store do you like the most?
My favorite store is Zara.
Are you a good cook?
Yes, I am a good cook.
What was the last meal you cooked?
The last meal I made was chicken curry.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
What's your favorite beach?
My favorite beach is Copacabana.
Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking.
Have you been to the mountains?
Yes, I've visited the mountains many times.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love animals.
What animal do you like best?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
Do you enjoy going to the zoo?
Yes, I like visiting the zoo.
Have you been on a safari?
Yes, I've been on a safari in Africa.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I like playing video games.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I enjoy watching TV shows.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Stranger Things.
Do you like reading the news?
Yes, I like staying updated with the news.
Where do you get your news from?
I usually get my news online.
Do you like going to the movies?
Yes, I enjoy going to the movies.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I love action movies the most.
Do you prefer books or movies?
I prefer books over movies.
Are you interested in technology?
Yes, I'm very interested in technology.
What's your favorite gadget?
My favorite gadget is my smartphone.
Do you like using social media?
Yes, I use social media to stay in touch with people.
Which social media do you use the most?
I use Instagram the most.
Do you like taking pictures?
Yes, I love taking pictures.
What do you usually take pictures of?
I usually take pictures of nature.
Do you enjoy driving?
Yes, I like driving.
What's your favorite car?
My favorite car is a sports car.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, I love going on road trips.
What's your favorite road trip destination?
My favorite destination for a road trip is the coast.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I love cooking for my family and friends.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
How do you usually celebrate holidays?
I usually celebrate by spending time with family and friends.
Do you enjoy surprises?
Yes, I love surprises.
What's the best surprise you've ever had?
The best surprise I've had was a surprise birthday party.
Do you like surprises or planning ahead?
I like both, but surprises are more exciting.
Do you believe in luck?
Yes, I believe luck exists to some extent.
Which is more important, hard work or luck?
I think hard work is more important than luck.
Do you enjoy being alone?
Yes, I like having time for myself.
What do you like doing when you're alone?
I like reading or watching movies when I'm alone.
Are you a social person?
Yes, I enjoy being around people.
Do you prefer small gatherings or large parties?
I prefer small gatherings with close friends.
Do you have family game nights?
Yes, we have game nights on Fridays.
Do you share a room with any siblings?
Yes, I share a room with my sister.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Thank you for watching.